This photo won a Wildlife Photography Award in 2019 in London, where two mice are fighting. It looks awesome. Meet Anak Yai. She is from South Sudan and has been ranked the most beautiful woman on Earth. She is also the most expensive model, currently charging $15,000 per hour for fashion photography. This tool is 2,300 years old. It was found frozen in the Altai Mountains and features magnetic plates fastened to the soles, possibly for grounding and staying connected to the Earth. If you cover just 1.2% of the Sahara Desert with solar panels, it could produce enough electricity to power the entire world. Scientists have created a drug called MDA, also known as the love drug. When consumed, it makes a person fall in love only with the one who gave them the medicine. Would you guys want to try this?